Hi, it's Alex from Groovy Entertainment. Today we got a book on tape to play for you. Today book is Too Much Noise from 1967. So let's get started.
A long time ago, there was an old man. His name was Peter, and he lived in an old house. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked. Outside, the wind blew the leaves through the trees. The leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter. Peter went to see the wise man of the village. What can I do? Peter asked the wise man. My house makes too much noise. My bed creaks, my floor squeaks. The wind blows the leaves through the trees. The leaves fall on the roof. Swish, swish. My tea kettle whistles. Hiss, hiss. I can help you, the wise man said. I know what you can do. What? Said Peter. Get a cow, said the wise man. What good is a cow? Said Peter. But Peter got a cow anyhow. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter. And he went back to the wise man. Get a donkey, said the wise man. What good is a donkey? Said Peter. But Peter got a donkey anyhow. The donkey said, "Aw." The cow said, "Moo, moo." The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Still too noisy, said Peter. And he went back to the wise man. Get a sheep, said the wise man. What good is a sheep? Said Peter. But Peter got a sheep anyhow. The sheep said, "Maa, maa." The donkey said, "Yee-haw." The cow said, "Moo, moo." The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter. And he went back to the wise man. Get a hen, said the wise man. What good is a hen? Said Peter. But Peter got a hen anyhow. The hen said, the sheep said, "Maa, maa." The donkey said, "Yee-haw." The cow said, "Moo, moo." The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter, and back he went to the wise man. Get a dog, the wise man said, and get a cat too. What good is a dog, said Peter, or a cat? But Peter got a dog and a cat anyhow. The dog said, woof, woof. The cat said, meow, meow. The hen said, quack, quack. The sheep said, bah, bah. The donkey said, eeyaw. The cow said, the bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Now Peter was angry. He went to the wise man. I told you my house was too noisy, he said. I told you my bed creaks, my floor squeaks, the leaves fall on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistles, hiss, hiss. You told me to get a cow. All day the cow says, moo, moo. You told me to get a donkey. All day the donkey says, ee-ah. You told me to get a sheep. All day the sheep says, bah, bah. You told me to get a hen. All day the hen says, cluck, cluck. You told me to get a dog and a cat. All day the dog says, woof, woof. All day the cat says, meow, meow. I am going crazy, said Peter. The wise man said, do what I tell you. Let the cow go. Let the donkey go. Let the sheep go. Let the hen go. Let the dog go. Let the cat go. So Peter let the cow go. He let the donkey go. He let the sheep go. He let the hen go. He let the dog go. He let the cat go. Now no cow said, moo, moo. No donkey said, aw. No sheep said, ah, ah. No hen said, quack, quack. No dog said, woof, woof. No cat said, meow, meow. The bed creaked. Ah, said Peter, what a quiet noise. The floor squeaked. Oh, said Peter, what a quiet noise. Outside the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. Inside the tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Ah, oh, said Peter, how quiet my house is. And Peter got into his bed and went to sleep and dreamed a very quiet dream.
So that was Too Much Noise for 1967. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment, and have a groovy day. And our next book will be Lentil.